Yeah. The next part of that, continuation of the first part. So the releasing of hydroxylate can be combined with ammonium chloride plus, so here which one is that? So hydroxylate, OH minus, 2 moles of hydroxylate can combine with the 2 moles of ammonium chloride. It releases ammonia gas and 2 moles of chloride anion plus, so here the water can be liberated. This releasing of ammonium chloride immediately it can be combined with the zinc, container, and it produces of, so one of the complex, this complex is called as what? So here the diamine dichloro zinc complex. This zinc complex can be stored in the primary batteries, therefore it can be converted into, so chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, right? So there are advantages will be there and disadvantages will be there. So what is the advantage of the primary batteries? So first advantage of this, cheaply available. So here the cheaply available, and next one is what? So here this one is what? So it can be used, so everyone can be so affordable. That is what it is, the second advantage. The major disadvantage of primary batteries are, so here the accuracy. So accuracy of the battery cannot be known. That is the major disadvantage of the, so here the primary battery. And second one is what? These cells can be used only, so one time can be used. So it cannot be rechargeable again and again. That is the reason it is a disadvantage of the primary batteries. So here the next one is secondary battery. So what is the secondary battery? Secondary battery, example of secondary battery is lead acid storage battery. So these will comes, so here the secondary batteries. These secondary batteries are rechargeable, it can be used again and again. So it is called as what? It is the secondary batteries, and this lead acid batteries generally it is used in the automobile battery. So here the construction of the lead acid battery is, the lead plates will be there, and next one is what? Lead dioxide plate, lead plates, lead dioxide plates, lead plates, lead dioxide plates. These are all arranged in the parallel manner. So between the lead plates and lead dioxide plates, we can keep it as one of the material. This material may be rubber, or it may be plastic, or it may be sponge, or it may be wood. So these are all will act as a insulator. It is acts as a insulator, right? So this is the construction. This whole set of arrangement can be dipped in the, so here the concentrated sulfuric acid. That concentrated sulfuric acid is what? 28% of sulfuric acid. This will act as electrolyte. It will act as a electrolyte. Right? So this is the lead acid battery constructions. Now we'll go for what is the working condition of the lead acid battery. So here the working condition of lead acid battery, lead acid storage battery, or it can be called as lead acid battery, right? So here in this, the lead plates, this is the lead plate, and this one is a lead dioxide plates. This lead plate is acts as a anode, and lead dioxide plates is acts as a cathode, right? So here the next first one. So here the lead plates, which one acts as what? It is an anode. So lead plate. So what is the nature of the anode? The nature of the anode will always lose the electrons, therefore it undergoes as a oxidation reaction. So here the oxidation reaction means it loses electrons, that is known as oxidation, right? So here the next cathode is, so which one is the acts as cathode? Lead dioxide plate. So these lead dioxide plates will act as a cathode. So what is the nature of the cathode? Will gain the electron from the anode, will gain the electron from the anode, which can utilize the, so electrolyte. What is the electrolyte in this? H2SO4. Therefore, it will forms as PbSO4. So, what is the nature of the PbSO4? It is a precipitation, and therefore, so it have a 2 moles of water. This process is also known as, so this process is known as during discharging process, discharging process means, so whatever the sulfuric acid will be there, this sulfuric acid, the density will be decreases. This lead will utilize the density of the sulfuric acid. So finally, these two electron cancel. Write the net overall reaction PbO2 and H2SO4, and therefore it will form of what? Pb2 plus, will gain the 2 electron and it will form again Pb. So here the PbSO4, it is a precipitation, 2 moles of water. Means this lead and lead dioxide plates are utilizing the sulfuric acid. So therefore the density of the sulfuric acid will be decreases. So that process is called as what? Discharging process. So in the charging process, so these lead dioxide plates can be utilized as, that is there in the third part, right? So